Another page in the DIY children's cat book. Well, anyway, I wanted to do something a little different today, so I decided to start with some trees. And so here, there I started with some trees. So here I start while it was drying and did some practice cats silhouettes. So wanted to do, the last couple were like big cat heads, and they were pretty similar, so I really wanted to bust that mold today and do something a little bit different. So after doing these practice ones, then going back to the book and put some smile faces on the trees, and so it was supposed to be a cat up there in the on the branch, and so another cat over here looking at each other, and went with the letter T for tree, and then thought, well, let's put something else in there interesting, a little doodad. And put the lawn, and the only thing that came to mind was a toboggan, so tried to paint a toboggan, and then last but not least, a little teddy bear. So there we go, another cat page.